Characteristics of communication. Effective business communication is critical in today's workforce. More than ever before, business communicators have a variety of tools to choose from and must use those tools carefully and with considerations of their audience and their intended communication goals. Effective business communicators will find that their efforts pay off in better relationship and business success. To be a successful communicator, you need to digest these 8 characteristics. Communication characteristics. First, segmented, specific, accurate, timely, frequent, multiple channel, face to face, and two-way. First, segmented. Even in small organizations, it is wrong to assume that all employees will have the same needs, interests, and desires when it comes to business communication. Effective business communication is segmented to meet the needs of specific audiences. Employees working in an administrative setting, for instance, will have different needs and different access to information than employees working in a manufacturing environment. The principles equally appeals in non-business communication. You find that each group you have to communicate with has its own need, interest, and desires. Second, specific. As a result of such segmentation, generic business or any other communication does not meet the needs of anyone. Effective business communication is specific. The more specific communication is, the more it meets the needs of its audience, effectively delivers the intended message. Third, accurate. When information is inaccurate, it loses its credibility. The sender of the information also loses credibility. Effective business communication is accurate in terms of the content conveyed and in terms of simple things that include grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Fourth, timely. Information has to be passed on without loss of time. Otherwise, it loses its purpose. Employees need to know what is going on in their organizations and in the external environment that impacts them. Today's technology driven environment makes it more challenging than ever before for business to communicate with employees in a timely manner, but it is critical for effectiveness business communication. Fifth, frequent. It cannot be assumed that a message has gotten across if it is sent just one time. If you want to ensure actions on the message you convey, then it has to be repeated until you are certain it has reached and absorbed by the listeners. Effective business communication occurs frequently to ensure that it has been received by all employees. Employees leave, new employees join the company, and employees transfer from one role to another, requiring new and updated information. 6. Multi-channel. Effective business communication need to be sent through a broad variety of channels to ensure that it is received by person in different setting. Business as well as us fortunately have a variety of channels to choose from the traditional print, bulletin boards, meeting to the new technology like email, blog, social media sites. 7. Face to face. Face to face communication is still the most effective and should be used whenever possible and practical. Distance and convenience of the two parties always make face to face communication possible, and in very language organization this can be challenging, but even then alternatives may include video conferencing or the use of webinars which offer visual feedback during communication. 8. Two-way. All communication is always two-way. One person has to deliver a message and another one need to accept it. Employees need the opportunity to share their feedback, opinion, and thought with managers and employers. Effective business communication offers the opportunity for two-way communication to benefit employees and employers.